Hey everyone, ever wondered what's really going on behind your favorite websites? Today, we're going to pop the hood on any site's digital infrastructure and see exactly what makes it tick. All right, let's get into it.
You know how it is. You type in a URL, a page loads up, and it all just feels kind of seamless, right? Almost like magic. But what's actually powering it all? What tech, what security, what servers are doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes? Well, that's the big mystery we're going to solve today. Think of the internet as this absolutely massive, tangled web of data. Every single website out there has its own unique digital blueprint, and it's just packed with information about how it was built, how it works, and maybe most importantly, how it keeps itself safe. Now, getting a look at this blueprint, it might seem super complicated, like you need to be some kind of hacking genius. But here's the thing. Understanding this data is incredibly valuable. Whether you're a developer building the next big app, a marketer trying to get a leg up on the competition, or even just a security buff looking for potential weaknesses. So how in the world do we get access to all this hidden info without a PhD in computer science? Well, that's where this amazing tool comes in. It basically acts like a digital X-ray for any website you can possibly imagine. It's called the Website Intelligence Analyzer, and it's an app you can find on the Appify platform. Its job is super simple. You give it a URL, or a whole bunch of them, and it brings you back a super detailed report on that site's security and server setup. It's pretty much the key to unlocking that digital blueprint we were just talking about. And you know what the best part is? It's ridiculously easy to use. I mean it. You don't have to write a single line of code. It's literally a 3-step process to kick off your digital investigation. So, first up, you just head over to afi.com and look for the Website Intelligence Analyzer in their App Store. Step 2, you pop in the URLs you want to check out. You can add them one at a time, or if you've got a long list, you can just paste them all in at once. And third, you just hit the Start button. That's it. The tool takes it from there. After a little bit, you'll see that super satisfying "Succeeded" message pop up. And that, my friends, is where the real fun starts. Let's dig into the results and see what kind of dirt this tool can dig up. All the juicy details from the scan get neatly organized for you in a tab called All Fields. And trust me, this is the treasure trove. It's where you'll find every single piece of intel the tool managed to uncover, from deep security info to the exact tech that's making the site run.
Okay, this is where we get to the good stuff. The tool lays out the site's DNS records, which are basically the internet's phone book, telling traffic where to go. It gives you a full list of all the cookies being used, which is huge for a marketer trying to understand a competitor's strategy. It even tells you if the site is hiding behind a web application firewall, a really key security layer. And you get the server headers, which are kind of like the web server's digital fingerprint. It's a total goldmine of information.
But wait, there's more. The scan also pulls the specific DNS server info, finds other pages linked from the site, and checks for any open ports. You can think of open ports like unlocked doors that could be a security risk. On top of that, you'll get crucial SEO details and even the results from malware scans. I mean, it just shows you how deep this analysis really goes.
Okay, so you've got this mountain of incredible data. That's awesome. But information is only really useful if you can do something with it, right? So how do you take all this intelligence and actually put it to work?
You've basically got two main paths. For a quick look and some high-level insights, you can just view all the data right there on the Appify platform. But if you want to do some deeper work, you can export all that data or even integrate it directly with your own systems.
You can export everything into standard formats like JSON or CSV, which are perfect for dropping right into Excel or Google Sheets. Or, if you want to get a little more advanced, you can use the API to pipe this data straight into your own software, or connect it to cool automation platforms like Make.com or N8N to build some really powerful automated workflows without any code.
So here's the bottom line. The whole point of this isn't just to satisfy your curiosity. It's about turning all that raw data into actual actionable intelligence that you can use for real-world projects, whether that's research, competitive analysis, or seriously beefing up your own security.
Every single website out there has a story to tell through its data and its technology. So, the only question left is, with a tool like this at your fingertips, what secrets are you going to uncover first?